Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we provide in-depth analysis on various financial markets. Today, January 3rd, 2025, we're tackling Amazon, the Amazon stock, examining recent news and its reflection on the charts. Recent headlines suggest a positive sentiment towards Amazon. Several analysts have raised their price targets, indicating a bullish outlook. However, some sources point to the unpredictable nature of the market. Let's start by looking at the bigger picture with the daily chart. The daily chart shows a recent upward trend in AMZN's price. Over the past month, we observe a significant price increase. This uptrend could be attributed to positive news surrounding the company's performance. We can identify key support levels around 150 and 170. Resistance levels appear near 200 and 220. Notice the volume spikes coinciding with significant price movements. Now, let's zoom in and analyze the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. The hourly chart reveals short-term fluctuations and potential trading opportunities. Observe how the price bounces around the support and resistance areas we identified on the daily chart. For a truly granular analysis, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This chart shows very short-term market behavior. The 15-minute candles capture the volatility of the market. We notice short-term price swings, indicative of rapid trading activity. The support and resistance levels seen in the daily and hourly charts are less significant at this interval. In summary, Amazon exhibits a bullish long-term trend on the daily chart. Short-term fluctuations are visible in the 1-hour chart. However, short-term volatility is amplified on the 15-minute chart. Key support levels remain around 150 and 170, with resistance around 200 and 220. The likelihood of prices reaching 220 or higher in the short term is moderately high if positive news continues to support market sentiment. We should watch for potential bearish reversals near the resistance levels identified. If the price decisively breaks below the 170 support, a further downward correction might be probable. It is vital to exercise caution as the market remains unpredictable. Always conduct your due diligence before making any trading decisions.